In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize ERPNext. If you're looking to tailor your ERPNext experience to better fit your business needs, you're in the right place. Customizing forms in ERPNext allows you to streamline processes and ensure your interface caters specifically to your workflow. Let's walk through how you can do this seamlessly. First things first, let's navigate to the Customize Form option. You can locate this easily by using the search bar at the top of your screen. Simply type in Customize Form, and it should appear in the results. Alternatively, if you prefer a more manual navigation, you can head over to Settings, then proceed to Customization, and finally select Customize Form from there. Once you've accessed the Customize Form page, the next step is to select the specific form, also known as a doc type, that you wish to customize. You'll see a drop-down titled Select Doc Type. Click on it, and from the list provided, pick the form you want to work with. This could be anything from a sales invoice to an item, or perhaps a customer form, depending on your requirements. After selecting your desired doc type, the next step is to click on the Fetch button. This action will load up the existing layout of the form, along with all its current fields, giving you a clear view of its structure. This is where you'll make the necessary tweaks to fit your specific needs. Now, let's get to the exciting part: adding or modifying fields. First, scroll down to the Fields section of the Customize Form page. At the bottom, you'll notice an option to Add Row. Go ahead and click on that. A new row will appear, where you'll input details of the new field you're creating or modifying. You'll need to set several parameters for the field. Start with the label, which is essentially the name of the field. For instance, you might want a field named Customer Reference. Next, choose the field type from available options like Data, Select, or Date. The field name will auto-generate, but feel free to customize it if needed. Then, you'll need to decide where you'd like this field to appear. You can do this by using the Insert After option, which allows you to specify which existing field it should follow. Don't forget, you additionally have options to set the field as mandatory, read-only, or hidden, among others, to fine-tune its functionality. Once you're satisfied with your new or updated field, remember to save your changes by clicking Save, located at the top right corner of the page. To see your updates in action, hit Reload. Your changes will then apply immediately to the selected form, giving you the newly customized layout that aligns perfectly with your business processes. With these simple steps, you've now mastered how to customize forms in ERPNext, enhancing your workflow efficiency.